The first Windows 11 official demo has finally rolled out, and today we are going to take a look at it to see what's new and what's been changed from the initial leak. So, since I can't even run this on my own hardware, thank you Microsoft, let's boot up the old VM and get started. First off, the File Explorer has gotten some changes. It has a new, simpler ribbon menu rather than the old, more cluttered interface, and the right-click menu is different and cleaner. Only time will tell if it's actually better. Nextly, there is a revamped Microsoft Store. It now has streaming site integration with Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video, standard Win32 apps such as Photoshop, OBS Studio, and Office, Android apps from the Amazon App Store, as well as the mostly useless UWP apps it has always had. The Settings app has gotten a brand new and much nicer looking interface, as well as many of the options which were only present in the control panel, plus several other options which do not appear to have been present in Windows 10 at all. The personalization options have improved a lot. There are several default themes, which each having their own wallpaper, and you can also create your own custom themes. Auto HDR appears to already be here. There is a new gaming tab which has things like the Xbox game bar settings and game mode, whatever that means. The Xbox app is now more fully integrated with Windows, and now has Game Pass for PC users, which allows you to play hundreds of Microsoft Bethesda, which is also Microsoft, and EA games for about $10 a month. It seems Microsoft is pretty intent on making Windows a gaming OS, for gamers. Now, what I said so far has been mostly praise of Windows 11, but things do get worse from here. Now, while it's great that the Microsoft Store has some Win32 apps, it doesn't have many. It is suspiciously missing any sort of browser. It doesn't have Steam, Epic Games Launcher, or really most useful software. Another problem is that while Android apps are great, they really clog up your search results, and of course, you do get far more than your fair share of shovelware. While many of the control panel options have been moved to settings, control panel is still with us and still has settings which are not in the settings app. With all things considered, I would still upgrade to Windows 11 given the choice. But since my CPU isn't 7th gen or higher, it just isn't good enough for Windows 11 apparently, and that just makes me kind of salty. Maybe I can find a hack, I don't know. Anyway, please like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you didn't, and as always, consider subscribing. But most of all, have a nice day. That last one's in order.